Yeah, wonderful day. Yeah, Opadeji Olayinka here. What I want to be talking about today is this, and this module is e-commerce. E-commerce. A lot of you must have heard about that word before, but you might not really understand what it really means. So today, I'll be taking you through a detailed explanation on what e-commerce is. So most of you must have heard about it before in the past, and you might be thinking, what does this really mean? It's as simple as you buying something and selling it online. It's as simple as that. And most times people call it mini importation. Why I don't want to regard it as mini importation is due to the fact that mini is a kind of it's a belittling word for this kind of business model, owing to the fact that you can do mega deals with it. Then why call it mini? So e-commerce is better. It's just a way of buying and selling online, and the success of this business is really attached to the profitability of it, how much profit you can make from it, which is dependent on some factors that you need to consider here. Because when we're talking about profitability now, there are some things that need to be put in place. Profitability is a function of how much or how often you profit for something, the quantity and the quality of the profit. So now, why this is important is because what you will be selling to be something that something which the price cannot be easily predicted. You don't sell something that people can easily say, oh, this thing is 100 naira, this thing should be more than 200. You understand? Because as the business is supposed to be profitable, you need to sell products that the prices or the worth can be easily predicted. Yes, let me just give you an instance. Like I have a coke of everybody knows coke is 100 naira everywhere in Nigeria, and someone is trying to sell it for 500. People will be like, oh, what do you mean? People do people will have to maybe rain insult on such person. But in some cases, let's say, maybe recreational centers where people have fun, it could be sold for such price, but people will understand that this that I'm buying for this price is due to some factors, maybe because it's an exotic place or something. But ordinarily, you can't sell it beyond the normal price, the average price everybody's aware of. So in this business, you need to observe, you need to check out products in which their prices cannot be easily predicted, so you can make good money from it and can be able to fix your price. And secondly, your product must be a problem solving product. Okay, if I get the product now, what am I supposed to gain? How am I supposed to benefit from the product? You have to understand that too. And number three, you need to consider if the product is a product of want or need. You need to sell something that people really want. If sometimes people, even what they need, they don't want to buy. The word want, so it's something they want. You see, they are crazy to have it, they crave for it. You understand that it should be your requisite for selling a product. You need to understand the fact that I need to sell what people want, not what I think people want, leading to what? Profitability. Like I said, that's the biggest part of the business. And also, you need to also consider the fact that what I'm about to say, is it something of quality? Is it a qualitative one? If I get it, will I get my problem solved? You need to consider that. You don't have to sell inferior products all in the name of making money. Business is not done that way. You need to check for the quality of the product, and as such, you need to check reviews of products you want to sell. You have to check the reviews online. The essence of reviews, most people won't buy something they haven't reviewed. So the more reason why you should take your time to check on reviews on products before they are actually brought into the marketplace to be sold. It's very, very important to consider those factors to ensure profitability of your business. Does that make any sense? So a recap of what I've just discussed: buying and selling of things online, selling a product of want, selling a product that the price cannot be easily predicted, a problem-solving product, and a quality product, all done online. But you must have this at the back of your mind that most of these things that I've mentioned is a function of a physical product, a product that can be touched, and a product that can be felt. E-commerce. So we move on to the next module of this video, next module of this course, so as to enable you to get it in details. Thanks for listening, and ensure you listen attentively to get the best out of this video. Thank you. See you in the next video.